Feels like time is going faster than it seems. We were just two kids who were trying to live the teenage dream. We could see no reason why we should ever try to go to sleep. Remember every weekend we stayed out late and then went home to me. I wish that I could live that dream again. 'Cause it was only you and me.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I want to take you on a little journey of decluttering and refreshing our master bedroom. We recently moved into a new house about 6 weeks ago and things are still a little hectic.
You and me, baby, it was you and me. We could never fall, but nobody could break us. Yeah, I thought we had it all.
I'm going to start off with making our bed. I usually like to start at this point and then work my way around the room in a circle from there.
Baby, it was
So the duvet and duvet cover are from Target from the Nate Burgess line, and the ruffle quilt that I'm putting over top is from JCPenney.
Live that dream again. 'Cause it was only you and me back then. We were never growing up, said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love, and nothing could be better than you and me, baby, it was you and me. We could never fall, but nobody could break us. Yeah, I thought we had it all. Take me back to when it was you and me, baby, it was you and me. It was only you and me back then. We were never growing up, said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love.
So the look that we're going for in our bedroom is a modern farmhouse chic look. There are several other pieces that I have to add to this room, but I just haven't gotten to it yet. But at this point, I just want to declutter the room, get everything out of here, and get it fresh and clean. So I'm going to go ahead and remove everything from the nightstands, dust, wipe it all down, and then I'm going to clean the mirrors with some Windex multi-purpose spray.
Baby, it was baby, it was
you and I till the end. Don't need to pretend again and again. We'll stick together. Everything is alright with you by my side. We won't say goodbye. We'll stick together.
So our home is a little over 2,700 square feet. It is 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. 2 of the bedrooms are master suites and the other 2 bedrooms are our kids' rooms.
When you're heading down, when it all just sucks, I'll be your Charlie Brown. You can make me laugh when I wanna cry. In a world gone mad, we're on an all-time high, and it wouldn't be the same without you. We have yet so many stupid things to do. You're the only thing I'm holding on to. Anywhere and anything, I'll be there. You and I
here's the next area that we're going to tackle. I am a huge gardener. I love gardening indoors and outdoors, and I collect a lot of plants, as you can see. And also, like I said, we just moved in, so a lot of the stuff we just kind of threw in our room. We didn't place it where it needs to be placed, but definitely needs to get taken care of.
I can pick you up when you're heading down. When it all just sucks, I'll be your Charlie Brown. You can make me laugh when I wanna cry. In a world of men, we're on an all-time high. You and I till the end, don't need to pretend. Again and again, we'll stick together. Everything is alright with you by my side. We won't say goodbye, we'll stick together. And it wouldn't be the same without you. We did so many stupid things together. You're the only thing I'm holding on to. Anywhere and anything, we'll stick together.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take.
So a lot of the stuff that's in our bedroom currently is stuff that belongs in other parts of our home, so I'm going to go ahead and take those to where they belong.
Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my truck.
These two trunks I picked up from an antique store. They're some of my favorite pieces in our home. They're actually military trunks.
City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what.
So here's a quick overview of the space so far. This plant is a peace lily. It's one of the easiest houseplants to grow, and the white blooms definitely add some brightness and character to a room.
Beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars.
So now I'm gonna go ahead and sort through all of this madness. Most of it's gonna be donated. Some of it's gonna go in other places in the home, and some of it actually does belong in this bedroom.
Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in nothing can break me.
So like I said before, our home is a work in progress. Most of the pieces in this room won't actually stay in this room. They're just here for now until I figure everything out. So right now I'm wiping everything down with a multi-purpose spray from Caldrea. Next, I'm going to tackle our restroom. This is truly a hazard zone right now, but we'll get it in order in no time. So on the countertops, I'm using a multi-purpose pine sol spray in the scent of lavender. So to clean the shower, I'm using the foaming method bathroom and shower spray. Then I'm gonna go in with my scrubbing wand. I find this the easiest way to clean our shower. I usually use the wand on the walls, and on the floor I get down on my hands and knees and use a toothbrush. So here's the end product, a nice, tidy, clean, fresh smelling restroom. This isn't my normal detail cleaning, this is just me trying to get everything in order. So like I said before, most of these pieces won't be staying in this room. I just had to get it neat and tidy and in order so I can honestly sleep better at night. If you do like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more content like this, please subscribe to our channel for more. So the sconces that you see on the floor are actually going to be hung on the wall to that right of that mirror. If you have any comments or any questions about where we got any of our items in our bedroom, please feel free to leave them below and I'll respond to as many as I can. Thanks.